Top Song, Artiste of the Year, Peeves and Predictions. ER on the road for our end of 2023 Vox Pops.
Every day is Christmas.
You know, so we have a whole Christmas in our inner self and happy up ourselves. We can't look on Christmas as a system settings no more.
New Year gonna be better or worse?
No year, no old, no year, no new. It's just a day, and a day is just a twilight zone. Because every hour is the same thing. I'm killing. War, rumors of war, frustration, confusion, hungry, starvation. Some have, some not have, some are try to make it, some not make it, while some are go low.
Who's your DJ for the year?
I hear me TVJ, I'm massacre and I'm gonna lead with it, you know. Take it again, you hear me? That's easy, I connect line with that priest, but massacre gone with that one, I'm all about my shot.
Limelight, been there, done that.
I'm calm, I'm humble. Him not kill up himself, I'm not going with a bag of gun through or whatever. He might do the right code.
And how's the Christmas treating you down here?
Yeah, hear me, it just a pick up, I love how it go on, I like the vibes. The breeze that take me I know.
People need food, no clothes, no sell. Now here now do me have to sell 2 baggy, nothing now go on.
Me and the girl them bubble.
I'm Valiant the Artist of the Year, but I rate King Image and I rate Chronic Class still, brother. It's a Valiant. I'm different out of this world, brother.
I bet me turn up in here.
Which song you would have give Song of the Year?
Song of the Year? Well, I'm not lying, I like the TVJ, you know. The drift. I rate the drifts.
Drift. Badness upgrade.
You see Chronic Law. You see Chronic Law come like a my story, the man listen and I write more while. Nah joke, no Mickins. When Law Boss I write, you can feel the music, my friend.
Protection, no love and affection.
It's not like you can go sing about party and sit when you broke. You know, all a serious man, so just go listen to some Chronic Law.
What you this?
Actually, I'll be a lyrical band massacre job. Great artist. Right now, I'm next king of dancehall.
One of them I call me legend, I'm no pass party.
One side, dog. One side, my friend. One side, massacre. Now, talk again, my friend. One side, my friend. I downtown with them, I tell you every day. One massacre, my friend.
My dog, them are feeling.
My man, I hold it from them time that till now. Remember say a Vybz Kartel are the artists where everybody, whole Jamaica praise Vybz Kartel. Regardless of alkaline liquor, 3 points them have a Vybz Kartel I man, but Vybz Kartel not there now. So Massacre represent. Massacre still there. You get me? Love the carbon.
I bit half of my clothes.
Really craft for my artist still, you understand? And most times song them sound more intelligent.
I'm getting mad to me now.
We up and stay up massacre till they all and grow up. Long life and prosperity. Quick and fast like when Messi kick and pass. I mean.
And me don't know about me think the artist for the year for 2023 is Valiant.
Me am mad so mad day.
Me don't know because him sing my song Mad Out. Cause me am mad out, you know. When me ready, me mad right out.
Banco Santander.
Nigeria.
Bob, the one name I say Bob plus Santander. That's the song there. As much as a massacre artist, that song they take the ear.
Him flow them different and him not really follow nobody. When him coming at the game, him coming at the game with film on a thing and it's a rare.
Ever and ever and ever. One. Adisha Palmer.
God, girl, yeah, me be loving.
And at that me say, I mean I take it back. And at that me say, Skeng big up yourself one side. And you see Alkaline big up, but you see my artist from my heart. Gaza to the world. Nah change, never switch, never be a snitch. Never. Who's 450?
Can't tell me, mama, when I reach.
Yeah, man, I know we are great, man. 1500 boyfriend
Richard, if you care who are Richard me.
You think Andrew and Mark are gonna have a better Christmas than you?
Never say something to you. You see, bro, God, I am a general, a film constituency, me now. Yeah, hear me, a green Christmas.
Me not in them people there. Them people are for themselves.
Yeah, man, them always have a better Christmas. They are top, you know, they are the first class. You understand? We are the third class. And we are the poorest.
Big up my co-worker them and matches the writer, so all of the hear them do. Canada, England, America, all over the world, alright, so them come get them look at here, but not even the foreigner them a check in, cause the blogger make it bad pan all week. Cause yeah, tell the people them say, they all come town and this and that. The people them have to come town, yam have to buy. Yam have to buy. clothes spinner for buy. I don't used to sell the cheapest fab soap or wash good clothes. Everything was uptown, them now buy it up the side, don't you see them have to come. So the blogger have to reverse the argument there.
But me not think them are going to have a better one more than me. Because me and my owner than me and my owner boss. Me blessed said so.
But due to Caesar, I have to just give to Caesar, you know. And them I make the money, man, so them must have a good Christmas, man. But me and you that want for church show, good all them dog, I get that.
I love a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everything when it comes.
Them say we not go make it in a life, but we there go and work and feel survive. Steer from the wrong and try do what is right. Man there take the pressure and fight the fight. Never know, see I saw them this day, them watch man life like TVJ. Hypocrites and bad mind them fig way, them sit down for me name, why you no love me, do me work and do me music, me still a keep me links with the real OJ, yo. Hustle hard for the money, so me pray, give thanks to Jaima the Almighty, you know, one for the British, eh?
You think things are getting better or worse?
Yo, to where look, you know, I mean make it get better for myself, you know. Me now wait for government.
Burn them. Get up, wake up, go and go pee-pee, you're too sleepy.
Come on, baby, turn the other way.
Turn the other. Turn the other way. Turn the other. Mr. Rakamai, I want to big up yourself.
I'm wishing the whole Jamaica Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. That's all up on the head. And leg of the gun thing, Jamaica, because I know the real Jamaica this. We want to get back to the true Jamaica, as the killer that say, you know. We up and stay up again, massacre, bad artists.
Killer them a walk this.